Welcome to the August Kit of the Month, which is Secret Garden, one of the last beautiful collections created by Close to My Heart, in which I've redesigned many of the layouts to make it more of my own. There's one thing I want to share with you before we get started in looking at all of the photos and the details of the artwork. When you're looking at each page, just remember if there is one layout that you love and a certain color that you'd like to do, you can easily change out the patterns of each of these layouts and cut the paper to the color of your choice. So if you prefer this to be the peach, which is this color, instead of the yellow, you just modify it. If you love this layout, but you want it in this color, then you just modify it. You'll just have to change things out, but it's really such a beautiful collection, and there are 8 pages in all. So the bundle is the way to go because it has it all for you. We have the sticker sheet, the coordinating 12 sheets of patterned paper, as well as cardstock, 6 French vanilla, and then 1 each of honey butter, sage, and peach and periwinkle, as well as the special two-tone patterned cardstock, and I will show you that. You'll note that this is one of the stamp sets with the die cuts, and this right here is a standalone Secret Garden die cut set, which was absolutely beautiful. They both are so work well together. And then there's also the dots, which has all of the colors. The colors are honey butter, periwinkle, glacier, peach, sage, pine, or actually it's pine and artichoke is the color. So the bundle is $108, but it's well worth it because you have it all. So let's go through some of the details. So here's where you see the sticker sheet and all of the patterned paper. So you have all of the florals, some veins on the backside, some beautiful scroll work. I mean, it's really amazing when you get to see it in person. This is the two-tone cardstock, which has like these thin lines on one side and dots on the other. You'll see it in the artwork. The stamp set with die cuts. And I wanted to remind you, you can use any of these sayings on these layouts. I kept it where you have that option to add them. I didn't add them myself, but it would be something I'd go back and add depending on my photos. These die cuts are absolutely stunning. You'll see. Now, there is also a Secret Garden card making workshop kit, but I wanted to point this out to you because it comes with basically a half of the pack, 16 cards and envelopes, and this stamp set with die cuts is also included. So you don't want to duplicate it and get both. You'll have to buy some things a la carte, and it comes with a set of the dots. Spotlight on Nature dies by Stampin' Up! Are just beautiful. You get 12 dies, and you can see there's certain patterns to each of the dies, 4 that are the filigree, 4 that have this dot dash look, and then 4 that has the lines around it. They range from basically 1 inch to 3 7/8. I am using this Distress Tile 3D folder. It is stunning. You'll see it. I will use it on the flowers and a sticker and circles. So here's layout 1. Just beautiful using the periwinkle floral pattern. Here's that dot two-tone cardstock, lots of honey butter as well as periwinkle, and then you have some stamped images and some die cuts. There it is as your 2-page spread, a 5x7, or you can do a 4x6 3 times, or change it out and do 3x4s. You have options. Now you can see here, this is the stamped flower in periwinkle, and you're using the water brush to add some of that color to the flower. We have our dots, our die cut flowers, and I'm using a bone folder to curl these flowers forward. This flower right here is stamped, and you're using the water brush with the honey butter ink as well as sage ink to color these in, or pine. Another set of the flowers. And I have this stamped in the background. There's a stamp that's a little bit of hearts, which I used, or you could use the dots. This is a really cute die cut with these cute little flower buds on it as well. So sage is the greenery that you're using, and pine is what it's being stamped in. And then I'm curling those flowers again, and you have the dots. Just gorgeous. Love this look here too. The next set of pages, layout 2, has to do with the honey butter floral pattern and the word happy. So the stickers, I'm kind of like a matchy-matchy girl. I like coordination, and this one I'm actually using the artichoke paper and the honey butter. Now I didn't add any photo mats here, and those are optional for you because you'll have some extra cardstock that you might be able to add them all, or you can check your stash. But what I like about it is you could do the photo mats in French vanilla, honey butter, sage, or pine. Those would be my choices. Here's the 2-page spread. Love this pattern right here. Some of the zip strip is being cut, but I want to show you the close-up of the details. So here's where you can see I used the distressed folder and on the sticker. Now I moved this around a little bit, so it has a couple of really distressed areas, but yours wouldn't look like that once you apply it to the dovetail. I also use the distressed folder on these gorgeous flowers. This is all die cut. Isn't that pretty? The water brushes here. I sponged in pine on these and stamped some of them as well, and you could just see all the gorgeous details. Now you can see that spot or nature circle right here with the filigree edge. Very pretty. You can see that circle here. This is another flower. More of the cute little stamped buds with water brushing and the sticker saying. Here's another flower, and here is where I use the embossing folder on this part of it. It just adds another element of dimension. And there again is another size of that spot on nature die with the filigree rounded edges. Layout 3 is peach. Beautiful layout here that you can see, 2 pages. When you look at the details here of the beautiful title, that is a sticker, and you'll see some of the beautiful flowers here. But I really want you to note this area right here. Let's get a close-up. These are those filigree spot on nature dies again that were creating this gorgeous scallop look using half the circles. Here you can see I'm using that peach dotted paper and sponging in peach to create some of my flower looks and the peach dots, enamel dots as well. And then here it's on French vanilla, and I sponged that just a little bit with the peach. And then you can see the greenery is sponged in pine. Here's a closer look of the gorgeous flower being sponged. It's so soft and adds such a subtle look to the flowers on this paper, as well as the sponging being done here in peach as well as here. Memories is stamped. And once again, a close-up of the scallop. Now here's where I used a little bit of pine glitter. Many of you have this in your stash. It's about 1/8 of an inch. I'm using only 4 strips on all of the pages. It just helps it pop a little bit. And you can see all the fun details of die cuts and stickers. The last layout is absolutely stunning. But let's just say you wanted this in the periwinkle. Well, then maybe you wouldn't do the first layout, but you would use the periwinkle paper here and here, as well as here. But I used the word perfect, which is in Glacier. So this is our Glacier look. And wait till you see the details of this layout. Isn't that stunning? Just love it. So now I have another one of those flower dies that I'm using here, as well as you can see another one of the spot on nature circles. This is pretty big. This is one that's about 4 inches. And you can see that I've embossed it with that distressed tile, and it really adds another fun element. Another detail, I'm using the dotted paper to do the die cuts for the greenery. The polka dots just add another layer. It's just beautiful. And there's one more detail I want to show you in another photo. Isn't this gorgeous? Once again, embossed circle, beautiful flowers that are done on pattern paper, the leaves that are done on the dots. Now this is a sticker, and I also use the Glacier ink and the water brush to color in and add a little bit of Glacier on my stickers here and here, and it just makes it pop a little bit more. as well as here, the Glacier. It just makes a little bit extra detail and helps these flowers blend in a little bit nicer with the Glacier paper. And then you have the dots, the circle, and it's just beautiful. And a little bit of that pine glitter are on these pages. So this is the Secret Garden, which is 166342, I believe is the number. Sorry about that, but it is in the bundle and they are stunning. When you break it down, when you're looking at the file, the thin cuts, these right here are all of these, and these two are this flower right here. So I've broken it down so you can see exactly what pieces create each flower, as well as your bud here and this gorgeous flower right here. There you have it, all 8 pages of Secret Garden. And you can also do the card workshop if you prefer, but they are stunning and I think you're really going to enjoy this.